everyone, it's your girl Queen Adrian Monroe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first I want to start off this video once again by saying thank you so much for all your support as I've been going through my current health issues. I have been dying for days now to be able to have the strength just to wash my hair, let alone film it. So I am really proud of this tutorial you're about to watch. So thank you for watching. So today's video is one that I'm super excited about. It's a throwback. If you check all the way to the beginning of my channel, there was an unboxing video that I did for a small Black-owned mom and pop company by the name of Alodia Haircare. Now, about 3.5 years ago, maybe 3 years ago now, I was looking up companies because Diva Curl didn't work for me, Cantu didn't work for me, so I realized your ingredients is what really matters. So I started figuring, okay, my hair really likes hydrolyzed protein. My hair is high porosity, so I need more moisture. I need oils and butters to seal, but I have really thin, fine density hair, so I can't have a lot of butter. So I started taking really detailed notes in my notebook about what kind of ingredients my hair was responding well to, and I found many of those ingredients in the Alodia Haircare product line. So back then I hit up the company, and as so many of them are so nice, they were gracious enough to send me a free sample kit. And I'm telling you, from the moment that oil touched my head, from the moment that shampoo, that glorious rich lather was happening, whoo child, I became an addict for Alodia Haircare. And I kid you not, this line to this day still has my all-time favorite deep conditioner. Like, I rave about it in the Facebook groups, left and flipping right. Like, if you're looking for hydrolyzed protein and honey for protein and moisture every week, girl, you need to go with Alodia Haircare. What are you doing? Like, look at these results from the Alodia Haircare tutorial that I'm about to show you. They popping, look at them. I mean, I can't really go anywhere because I'm on bed rest. I barely had enough strength to do this video. It took me all day, by the way. It was light. You'll notice it was light outside when I started, and now it's dark as hell. But then again, it's dark at like 4. So anyway, that's not the point. So Alodia Haircare is a brand that's very near and dear to my heart. I am not sponsored in any way by them. I actually took advantage of their Black Friday sale. Oh my God, I think it was like something like 25% off, 30% off, and I just bought the whole flipping line. Every product's coming. They even have one special oil that's gonna come out in January 25th. I already got my pre-order. Like, honey, I am prepared. I am an addict for Alodia Haircare, and after this video, you are going to see why, and you will become their newest addict, hopefully. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial, so let's get right down to it.
This is about 2-week-old hair. My scalp is really dry and flaky, so it only makes sense that my hair is going to be dry, which means that it's going to have tangles. That is why I'm going in with my Q-Redo hair steamer. Let me tell you, this bad boy right here, child. I love how the steam actually lifts the cuticles, which helps to hydrate the hair, soften it, and release any tangles so that when I'm doing my wash day, I don't cause any tension, which would cause excess breakage and split ends. You want to be able to run your fingers through your hair just like that. Since my hair is really dry, I'm going to do a pre-poo. So since the actual hair strands are dry, I'm making sure to saturate it first with water to ensure I'm not sealing in any dry hair. Okay, that's why the water is going on there, all that spurt right there. I don't know what that was. Anyway, I'm going in with the Alodia Haircare Nourish and Grow Healthy Hair and Scalp Oil. I love this oil. It's very lightweight. It's flipping amazing. I love the little applicator tip. It gives me so much more control over where I'm applying the oil, so I'm not putting too much in the wrong places. I can put it, oh, right here, oh, right there. So this oil is very lightweight. I think it's because it contains avocado oil, which is one of my favorites. Avocado oil contains omega-3s, and omega-3s are basically like a superfood to your hair follicles. And it also contains so many vitamins, like vitamin A and D, just to name a few, which are vital for healthy hair growth. I love that from the moment I apply this oil, I don't know, it's invigorating, it's revitalizing. It kind of feels like my hair follicles are just waking up. It's phenomenal. I love that when I rake it through my hair, I make sure every strand is covered. It's so lightweight, so easily glides through my hair. It's phenomenal. It gives you a gorgeous sheen once you're done. Now I'm making sure to really work it into my scalp. Remember, scalp massages help increase the circulation to your scalp as well as this oil does. So when you combine the two, girl, hair growth for days. Don't mind me. So yeah, I make sure to really massage it into my scalp, but most importantly, work it into my ends. The ends are the most vulnerable part of your hair, the driest. And if the shampoo meets that dry hair, let me tell you, breakage. The steam also helps the oil penetrate deeper into the strands for better moisture retention. I also love using the steamer because steam actually opens up your hair follicles and your scalp pores, which detoxifies the scalp and encourages better moisture retention overall. So you're detoxifying, you're increasing circulation and hair growth, you're getting all the nutrients you need. It's a win-win. That's why you should pre-poo. All right, next step, Nourish and Hydrate Conditioning Shampoo. This is considered a weekly low poo. It comes out very creamy and moisturizing, similar to a co-wash, but once you apply it to wet hair, it is a low poo, meaning it will lather up. It will give you all those nice suds that you're looking for. So I make sure to really work this into my scalp so that the shampoo has time to remove all the buildup and sweat, dirt, anything from product buildup. I did also purchase the scalp brush because scalp brushes are amazing at helping increase circulation and exfoliate your scalp. So not only are you taking away all the dead skin cells, but you're increasing the circulation for added hair growth. I love that it doesn't leave my hair feeling too dry or too weighed down. I was worried that it wouldn't be able to remove all the oil since I always remove pre-poos with clarifying shampoos, but let me tell you, this bad boy did it. Look at all of that moisture. And after double cleansing, look at that. You can really tell all the moisture from the aloe juice is there. Now I'm ready for the Nourish and Hydrate Deep Conditioning Mask. This is my all-time favorite. Oh my God, guys. Seriously, this deep conditioner is life. It's going to melt all your tangles away. The mask is going to infuse moisture into your starved strands with all natural quality ingredients like honey, grapeseed oil, and aloe vera juice, which will all nourish your scalp too to encourage better hair growth, of course. And if you are transitioning, so if you have transitioning hair, this deep conditioner is perfect to help you keep your moisture protein balance because it does contain silk amino acids, which is very small, gentle protein, perfect for weekly use to strengthen your hair and help the moisture bind better to your hair strands. So as you can see, when I pair it with my steamer, this mask is going to give me all the nutrients I need to make my hair grow healthy and more quickly and more effectively, just at a much quicker pace. You see, the steam is basically intensifying all the nutrients of this treatment. That's why I never worry about how my hair is gonna look at that. You see those gorgeous curls? Yes, honey. And the shine, that's from the honey, girl. The honey and the gentle amino acids, trust me, it's all you need. Once I rinse that out, I am taking the microfiber towel off of my hair so that you can see I have very fine density hair. But look at how nice and full my hair looks. All that moisture from the honey and the strength from the silk amino acids. It's amazing. Okay, so now I have sectioned my hair. I'm ready to style, but I'm making sure my first section is completely saturated with water. Remember, water is moisture. That's why you want to apply products to soaking wet hair, to use less product and lock in that water. I'm going to be locking it in with the Nourish and Moisturize hair cream. I love how moisturizing and how intense but lightweight this leave-in is. It contains sweet almond oil, which helps damaged and dull hair become stronger and shinier, as well as aloe vera, which contains so many amazing nutrients, and it actually balances the pH level of your hair to seal the cuticle, leaving it soft and manageable with a really nice shine. I'm pairing that with the Moisturize and Define Curling Cream Gel. I absolutely love this gel. One little note I do want to make about it, it needs a lot of water and cream when you're using it, just because a lot of the slip goes away. That's very common with marshmallow root. Don't worry about that. Just keep completing the order: water, cream, and gel. If you need more slip, just put more water or more of the hair cream since it contains aloe vera. I love that the gel contains jojoba oil, which is packed with basically almost every single vitamin and nutrient your hair needs to be healthy. I love pairing both products with my scrunch it brush because the scrunch it brush is the only brush I trust on the market to help me define my curls without causing me any split ends and breakage. So definitely check that out, and of course use the code REDCARPETCURLS, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and scrunch. The reason I'm going to do this is because looser curl patterns like wavy hair and loose curls, you need to encourage your curl definition with scrunching. If you have tighter curl patterns, don't scrunch. That's only going to increase shrinkage. Instead, you want to try to elongate your curl with praying hands or something like that. But my looser textured ladies and gents like me, go ahead and scrunch. Once you are ready to let your hair dry, like you're happy with the definition, I like to scrunch out the excess moisture with a microfiber towel or an everyday paper towel from your kitchen. It's just to remove the weight of the water and the product so that your hair can dry more quickly. Please remember, after this part right here, you are not going to touch your hair anymore. If you continue to touch your hair after this part, you are only going to cause frizz, okay? So you see, I'm just going to leave it alone right here and let it air dry for 2 hours. Now it's 2 hours later, my hair is dry and it's in the gel cast, and once again we're going to use the same oil we used in the beginning of the video to do a nice scalp massage. I always do scalp massages right when my hair is dry in the cast, because when you do scalp massages in the cast, it helps reduce the amount of frizz that you would normally get. And please remember, you don't have to massage really hard, just very gentle and small circular motions, and that will obviously increase the volume as well, as you've seen from me. And I'm going to take about 2 more drops and scrunch out that hard feeling, that gel cast. The reason I do that is because it gives me more slip so that I can, separate my curl clumps like that, as well as the oil seals the hair strands, which is going to increase your moisture retention levels, which will increase your length retention levels. So you don't have to worry about your hair breaking off at a certain length. As long as you keep those ends sealed, your length will continue to grow and retain healthily. Now, I'm a person that needs volume. I love the volume, so I use a hair pick. That's only because my hair strands, since they're so thin, my first day never has the volume I'm looking for. But these products were so light that I picked a little, and look at this. I never have this much volume for day 1. And definition and shine? Stop it. Look at those juicy curls. Oh, I'm in love. Seriously. Alodia Haircare, oh my God, such quality ingredients like the aloe vera, the sweet almond oil, jojoba, safflower. Listen, do yourself the favor. Transitioning hair, healthy hair, check out Alodia Haircare.